is ahead of the T20 World Cup. BCB sources, that's the Bangladesh Cricket Board, they have said that Bangladesh will not travel to India for the T20 World Cup. Rather, BCB sources say that Bangladesh will not be withdrawing from tournament. They have a fresh demand. They say that Dhaka, they now want matches to be shifted to Sri Lanka from India. This, of course, amid growing political tensions between India and Bangladesh, and that's the latest what we are learning from the BCB, that they want the matches to be shifted from India to Sri Lanka. And my colleague Rika Roy, who's been tracking this very closely, is now joining me live. Rika, what more can you add to this? BCB sources saying that they want the matches to be shifted from India to Sri Lanka, saying that it's not safe for the players to travel to India.
Well, that's right. After the Mustafizur Rahman issue yesterday, when BCCI asked Kolkata Knight Riders to drop him from IPL, the Bangladesh Cricket Board swung into action. They had a late night meeting where all the directors of the board were present. Initially, they had decided on writing to BCCI and ICC to understand what will be the security arrangements for the Bangladesh cricket team. Later, they decided against writing to either of the entities and instead demanding the fact that their matches be moved to Sri Lanka instead of being played in India. Now, remember, this tournament was locked in months ago, and now as the schedule stands, they have to travel to Kolkata in the early part of February. Their first match is on 7th of February, followed by two other matches on 9th and 14th of February, and another match in Wangkere thereafter. So really, the situation right now is very, very fluid. Right. Bangladesh is very clear that they are not withdrawing from the tournament, but they have put their foot down against traveling to India, given the situation in India, and they are not very sure that the current political climate, current security situation allows the entire team to land up in India when one player could not be given security and could not be allowed to play in the IPL.
Absolutely, Rika, and that was a statement given by the BCB, the big flashpoint ahead of the T20 World Cup. But thanks for getting us the latest on this, Rika. We'll, of course, be tracking this very closely with you. All right, we're staying on with this story now. A fresh face-off has now erupted between the Bangladesh Cricket Board, the BCB, and the BCCI. And that's after Bangladeshi pacer Mustafizur Rahman was dropped from Kolkata Knight Riders KKR after being picked in the IPL auction. This is, of course, of the massive uproar and the anger that was faced after he was picked up. Now, the BCB is now set to write and request ICC. That's the news we just broke moments ago, that the BCB has written to ICC to shift Bangladesh's T20 matches to Sri Lanka from India. And the BCB further states that if one of the cricketers, despite contracts, dropped them, then how can the entire team feel safe traveling to India? That's the statement which you see on your screens right now, given out by the BCB. Hitting back at the Dhaka's demand now, BCCI said that with 1 month to the tournament, it is impossible to shift venue, and that such things cannot happen based on wishes and preferences. Listening to the reactions, well, there have been no reactions on this so far. Let's now tell you more about the story. But as the sports bodies, the dual politics has erupted over Bengal Minister Manoj Tiwari's statement over playing the match with Bangladesh. He said that until justice served to the persecuted Hindus in Dhaka, no match should be played with the country.
बांग्लादेश के साथ कभी सीरीज नहीं खेलना चाहिए। जैसे मैंने इसके पहले भी कहा था, एशिया कप के पहले और विश्व कप के इसमें चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में, कि पाकिस्तान के विरुद्ध नहीं खेलना चाहिए। तब मैंने ये भी कहा था कि ये निर्णय बीसीसीआई को लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ हम लोग हमेशा लड़ाई करते हैं, हमारे जवान मरते हैं। जो ये प्लेयर्स के ऊपर निर्णय लिया गया, मैं सहमत हूँ इसके साथ। और आने वाले जितने भी वर्ष हैं, जब तक इंसाफ नहीं मिलता है उनके परिवार को, तब तक उन लोगों के कोई भी प्लेयर्स को लेना नहीं चाहिए और उनके देश के विरुद्ध भी कोई भी सीरीज नहीं खेलना चाहिए, चाहे बायलैटरल हो चाहे कोई दूसरा भी हो।
महाराष्ट्र का इलेक्शन है, महाराष्ट्र की और मुंबई की जनता को बोल रहे थे कांग्रेस बांग्लादेशी को भिजा दिया। अरे एक से एक और को भिजाओ ना, जो मोदी की बहन बनकर दिल्ली में बैठी हुई है।
इसको तो मैं समर्थन में नहीं हूँ। खेल में पॉलिटिक्स नहीं आना चाहिए। अगर केकेआर कोई सारा दुनिया से प्लेयर ले रहे, बांग्लादेश से प्लेयर लेके लेने से क्या है?